So ngayon mga inday, nagre-ready kami inday kasi may pupuntahan kami. So be with us for today's video mga inday. And then nandito yung bayo. Say hi to them, ate bi. Hi, hi ate bi. Hello. Wala sa mood day. Yeah, hi car. Hello car. Hello. My name is Asher Shipon. Hello car. Hello car. Say hi. Hi. Hello neighbors. Hello neighbors. Yeah, my name is Asher Shipon neighbors. Hello. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Stand up. Ayan, stand up na. Yeah, good job anak. Yeah. Hello neighbors. It's raining day here. Yeah, hi. Yeah, that's right. Hi. It's raining day neighbors. Yeah. It's raining day. Stand up. Hi. Oh, hi ate. Hi ate. Yeah, that's right. Mga inday, nalagyan ko na din ng sapatos yung bata natin day. Kanina day, nag-ano pa kami day, nag-away pa kami day. Sa kakulitan ng batang to day, ayaw niyang magpabihis. Sige. You walk now. Bata natin na kulit day. Sobrang kulit talaga ni Bibi Kano day. Ay nako. Will you look here behind mga ate bi? Hi. Say hi to them ba? Sige na. Hi mga ate. Hello sa ba? Huy. Shilton. You say hello to them? Bata. You look here mama bi. You look sa here. Bata. You look here mama. Hello mga ate at kuya. Tapos na po ako nakabihis. Linisan ko nga yung ano niya day. Yung ilong niya day ba? Baby wipes na. Ay nagay diri nak. Lilinisan ko yung ilong ni Bibi Kano day. Kasi umiiyak kasi to kanina ba? Wa na jud taan ni day eh. Bata nga lisod sabto ning bata day. Mama need to clean your nose. Manawala na. Kalinisan ko na day. Pasensya na kayo sa iyak-iyak ng batang to day ha. Na, isko. Sobra jud kayo day. Sino ang may gusto sa bata? Wag naman, may tahi ako nito day. Ay, shush. Mana day. Ay, kayo day. Hello mga inday. Tapos na si Bibi Kano kumain. Pinakain ko na day kasi alas 12 na dito day. And then yung papa niya, di ba day? Sabi ko sa kanya, you are more handsome when you taking care of yourself. And then sabi niya, no. So ngayon mga inday, kailangan kong pumunta. Kailangan kong pumunta sa toilet mga inday. You're gonna smile. Gonna smile lang. Smile.
I hate smiling.
Okay, kailangan pumunta sa toilet mga inday. Okay mga inday, ready na tayo. And sawa ko, si Asher ready na din. Naka-coat dahil kasi ano ngayon lahat? What is the weather? It's 1?
0.
It's 0. 0 daw dahil sabi ng asawa ko sa labas. Kahit walang snow, malamig. Na friends, ato na me! Okay. Oh, open. Come here, let's go na mga inday. Let's go. I'm the one put Asher inside, yeah? Yung weather natin, day. Oh, maulan, day. So, but still malamig. Lagay natin si Bibi Kano, day. Oh, wow. What is this?
Wait.
Yeah, that's right. That's Fuji seats. It's super cold. Let me ask you. My love, you need to adjust this one because it seems like this Asher have a thicker jacket and then this is so tight. Yeah, hello, Ati. Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. Hi daw, day sabi ni Bibi Kano, day. Hi. Yeah. Papa is there na. Papa is there. Iwan ko din masakto. Hindi ka ano ani day. Upa na rin dako. Di na ni ang sakyanan day. Gamay. It's lock. Ay, ginoo ko. You knock. You want to do something? Okay. My love. This is so tight for Asher. Can you make it loose? Oh my. Oh, this dangerous. Oh, I think it's enough. I gonna knock Ash, friends. Okay. Oh, jeez. Wala nang... It's so tight. Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi, Ati. Okay, good. It's really tight, mga inday. Iwan ko, sasabihan ko yung asawa ko na i-adjust to day. Kasi hindi talaga siya ma-lock day kapag ganito day. It's super tight. Ay.
Oh, it's gray and yucky out.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, this is like super gray.
Yeah, it's great.
If you were depressed, man, just stay at home and watch videos of the sun shining on the TV or something. I don't know. But this right here,
It's super great.
yeah, this make anybody just cry.
Oh yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Oh my God, wow. Ngayon mga inday, nandito kami sa ano day, kailangan namin ng cash. So nandito kami sa ATM machine. And then sobra pa rin maulan day, oy. Nakaka-depress ang ano day, ganitong weather day ba? Walang araw. Sobrang gray ng aming weather, yung kulay day ba? Nakakalungkot na. Nakakalungkot na weather. Alam ko makaka-relate din kayo mga inday kapag ganito yung weather day. Pero no choice kasi nababagot na din kami sa loob ng bahay day. How many days? 2 days. Nasa loob lang kami ng bahay ng kami lahat day. So nakakabagot din mga inday. So kaya ngayon lumabas talaga kami, sabi ng asawa ko, lalabas talaga tayo love sa bahay. So tingnan natin mga inday. So let's go na. Si Bibi Kano nandyan sa likuran. So let's go na mga inday. Titingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta una day. So titingnan natin kung ano ang gusto ng Diyosawa day. Look, tingnan yung bahay day, circle.
There's airplane hanger sitting right next to the house. Yeah, you can see all the airplane hangers. Look.
Yeah, airplane. Yan yung mga parking lot nila sa ano dahil sa likod ng bahay nila. May mga airplane dyan na maliliit. Parking lot.
Yeah, they just walk out of the house and go into the airplane.
Oh, this is circle too. Circle house.
Another airplane hanger.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, if this starts snowing,
Oh my golly, wow.
it's gonna be bad.
This is a hard snow. I mean,
Hard
it's
rain.
hard rain.
Yeah, and like I said, you can see it all slushy here in the middle.
Yeah.
See, they can't, right now they can't lay salt because this rainwater would just wash it off.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah, this is gonna get bad,
No.
really bad.
We go back in the house, love.
Well, we need to go now so that we can get this done. Who knows what it'll look like tomorrow? Well, there are.
Yeah.
Our tongues don't like to do that because there's just no part of our language that it's ever required.
So hard to read. It's hard to to pronounce. It's hard to pronounce the name day.
Think of a C-R-E.
Swartzwijk.
Just go Cree.
Rake.
Cree.
Crack.
No, you're doing the whole thing. Cree.
Swartzwijk. Ang ano niya day, ang sabi siya ba lisod. Lisod siya i-pronounce. Oh, who the one gave that name? It's hard to pronounce.
Yeah,
Who knows? Pangalan ng ano dahil bakalye dito dahil Swartzwijk. Yes. Yeah. Tinawanan.
Words Cree.
Tinawanan
You're
ako
gonna
ng
make it
asawa
so
ko
I
dahil.
can't say it. Oh no, here comes the rain again.
Oh, rain again! Oh my God! Tingnan nyo itong mga inday. Umuulan ngayon day, pero may kasamang ice. Oh, tingnan nyo. May kasamang ice. Oh my. Pero naon na eh. Tignan na yung ulan. Day, nandito na kami sa loob mga inday. So, tumitingin kami ng mga puzzles day.
2,000 piece ones.
$14. It's like $14 yung price. $15. Ito yung mga puzzles lahat eh.
You're so damn cute. It kills me.
Yeah, that's right. 1,500. May mga maliliit din dito. So that is the selections. And then nandito yung bata natin na super cute. Hi mga ate. Hello. Shush, ang bata natin na super cute ng bata. Oy. Shush, nagpaakon-akon man na sa tiil ng bata natin. Oy. So, yung asawa natin dahil namimili dyan kung anong gustuhin niya. And then ngayon day, ang mga Christmas decoration dito is nag-clearance sale na sila day. 50% off na day. Kasi nga tapos na ang Christmas. So, nag-sale sila mga inday. Namimili pa talaga yung asawa ko. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's 2,000.
Yeah.
Plants. Yeah, just sakura. Oh, this one is like a flower. You look this one though. Ah, it's just all the flowers here.
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't want that.
No, I like this. That's
Ah,
nice.
there is more sakura here.
Where?
This one, but just here.
Oh, well, that was the same one I pointed out. Same type of flower tree anyway.
Ah, yeah.
But not the
But
same
is that
picture.
there's a human?
Yeah, I looked at that and didn't even see the sequoias on it.
Mm.
Still only 1,000.
Yeah.
And,
But I like more this one.
one's prettier.
Yeah, that is more prettier, love.
Yeah.
Still same
I mean,
1,000.
this is pretty busy for sure.
Yeah, I don't like lot of details.
Yeah,
That one
that
is
one.
the nicer one. Sige. Kasi iwan ko talaga dahil iba talaga yung yung Japan na ba, vibes dahil iba talaga sa akin. Kahit may 2 drops ako na dahil Japan na blood. Gusto ko talaga yung Japan style dahil Japanese style. So let's go na, punta tayo sa iba. Just video me.
Is it on? Is it
Yeah,
videoing?
it's on, yeah.
Oh. We're gonna get thrown out of here.
It's easy
Hey, I don't
because I'm a
care.
small one. It's small. That is what you can get if you have a small height. It's easy for you to. Oh my God! It's
Does that one look soft?
yeah. It's so comfortable. Hey. Okay. Mga inday kasi. It's nice. It's comfy. Nandito kami dahil sa mga mga animals na mga gamit. Oh. Yeah, that's nice, cute. Mga gamit ng mga animals like gaya ng aso, cat. So yung bed na yun dahil para yun sa mga aso or cat, kung ano man ang sa mga pet dahil ba. So tingnan niyo dahil di ba dahil mga lagayan ng pet. Oh. Nandito kami sa animal section. What?
I know people normally get chew toys for animals,
Yeah.
but wouldn't it be like wise to get him one? Won't do a pacifier and he wants to
What?
chew everything. We'll just get him a chew toy.
Yeah, I love. Can we go in the kids section, love? Maybe we can do something. We can look something that we can put in the thumb of Asher. Yeah, just look. There's a
Look.
fish.
Look down
They
there.
are real, Asher. They are real. Oh my
Oh, what do you think about that?
Yeah, it's beautiful yung aquarium tayo. Mga totoong fish tayo. $5. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you like that? You
It's
see all the gold
beautiful,
ones
anak.
down there?
Look, it's pink. Pink and green.
I like that. Who's those little guys?
It's beautiful.
What do you think they're doing in there? Well, let me slide up to the colored ones then.
JBL,
$50 for that little small one, and that one.
$50.
Shoot, that one's $379.
Ito yung mga price day. Oh. I think this is the prices, love. JBL.
Well, it's for the stuff that you're in front of these. Look,
Ah,
that's the price
oh
of that.
Jesus.
And then if you
Ito,
look here, look.
ito lang dahil $379. Ginoo ko, ito lang.
That's right.
And this one, ito, $200.
Yeah.
Ginoo ko.
And
And
that
the
one's-
small one is
This one's missing. This one goes right here.
9.
It's missing.
Uy, ang sobrang mahal ang JBL speaker day. Uy, sobrang mahal. Oh my God. That's scary, handsome.
Yeah. It's a
Reaction ni
little
Asha.
quite disturbing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's scary.
But the question is it any more scary than that?
That's for the girl.
That's still scary, love.
Still scary.
Yes.
No, ni Asha rin.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Never had a banana
What
bread.
is it, Asher? Huh? Itok na, oy.
No.
Ay, ginawa ko yung mataan eh. Dunkin. $8. Sabi ni Asher kanina, dahil tumitingin siya sa sahig. And then sabi niya, hee. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, dahil may insect sa sahig. Kaya nagsabi siya ng hee.
He's doing it again.
Hee. Yeah, yee. Bata natin dahil. Nag-shout yung bata natin. No, shout. No, ha? Shh. Don't shout, bata. Ikaw ron na. No, shout. Mga inday, lalabas na tayo. Tapos na tayo nag-grocery, day. Ito yung mga nag-grocery namin, day. Oh, ang dami, day. Ay, ginawa ko. It's raining still.
Frozen spots,
Okay. Still raining? No? No. It's not raining yet? It's not raining anymore. But still ugly the weather.
Just drizzle still.
Ah, yeah. Ano lang siya, kaligsik. Sa Bisaya, kaligsik. I was thinking there is a smoke in my mouth.
Anyways, we gotta go. Look.
Ah, yeah, there is love. You try again. Yeah, there is. Oh my golly, wow. Where's our car, love? Did you
We
remember?
lost it.
Hi!
It's a terrible thing to lose, love, your car. You know I always take you right to the car every time, love.
Yeah, I know.
Watch your knees.
Okay. Thank you. There you go. Nandito na kami sa car. Kukunin ko si Bibi Kano, mga inday. Hello mga ati. Nandito na. Yeah. We are here in the car na ati. Ay, shush, ang dagoy. Ay, sus, katukatib sa bata. Tukatib kayong bata, day. Pupunta na tayo dito sa kabilang ano, day. Hello. Ay, ginoo ko. Yay! There you go. What is that? So there is a peanut butter sa loob, mga inday. So i-try natin. First time namin makatikim nito, guys. Like more, there's a biscuit, chocolate biscuit there. Tingnan mo daya. There's a chocolate biscuit inside and then kaunting peanut butter there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's yummy. Yeah. Masarap ka dahil.
Alright.
Asawa ko din, may inupi na naman dahil.
This is pretzel pieces.
Used to them love.
Pieces of big pretzel. See?
Na, yeah. Ito wala. Okay. Ito yung nasa loob dahil. If you have a good teeth, this is good. But
Does it hurt your teeth?
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right, Asher. You're so cute. Si Asher deh, ganyan deh.
You're fired.
Yeah, that's right. Oy! Naglalaro talaga si Asir sa lawan niya dahil.
Oh, you should have been born in a cage.
Born in the cage.
Listen to him.
Freeing his saliva?
Daddy loves you, though.
Even you're broken.
No.
Don't worry, your mama and papa's broken to.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just crazy enough to not care.
Ay, ginako. You are not alone, Asher.
Yep.
Let's go.
We almost got to go forward.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then there's someone in our
And I sat.
front. Okay, let's go na tayo mga inday. Complain. Oh, I will be dying.
Stop your
I'm
whining.
dying.
Yeah, that's right.
That is what they complain. And then us, we enjoy it with the small heat.
Yeah, we'll just turn on the generator, put a movie in, and go la 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 la.
That's right.
All we gotta do is just plug in the Wi-Fi one too, and then we'll just have the internet.
Ah, yeah, that's right.
There you go.
There you go. Tingnan nyo mga inday. Yung mga kahoy day, may mga ice yung kahoy. Yung mga stem ng ano ba, kahoy. May ice. Mga inday, oh. Sinasaktan ako ng asawa ko dahil po. Okay. Kain. You're still eating. And then, you stop gani. Sige. Nag-ano lang kami, dahil bumili kami ng drinks.
Need your help now.
Yari.
Yeah.
Bumili kami ng drinks.
Alright. I think that says diet on that one. Slama, thank you.
So cold. Sarap.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, that's right. There's a toilet there. You can dumpster. See? It's like a brand new.
Oh, what are you gonna do with it?
Put in the toilet in the house.
Well, what if I like our toilets we already have?
Kasi din may ano day, toilet no? Like a brand new lang siya, diba?
You just want me to change toilets for no reason?
It's something like that. It's just want to change. Gano'n ka.
We have been driving around eating snack food.
Just driving
That's it.
around something that we can go out. No, I don't want na anymore. I
I'm
want
showing them.
the blue.
I don't even know what the blue is.
What is the flavor this one?
I don't know.
I want to try gani.
Probably some candy.
The first, I like the second one.
The white one?
No, yellow.
Well, that was the first one.
I'm the second one ba?
Well,
This
get it
one
right.
is yummy too. I don't want malagay. I will be more fat
You
na.
like that one right there.
What is that?
You try that one.
Bana day. Gusto niyang i-try na naman ito day. Oh, ibang kulay day. We're gonna be fat together.
Yeah. Then we'll just sit down and put together Sequoia tree puzzles. Drink alcohol. Drink Mad Dog 2020 and put together puzzles. We'll be like cheap winos, cheap alcoholics.
Yeah, that's it. Ay,
They won't
nako.
watch us because they like us. They'll watch us because they pity us.
Ay,
Oh
ginawa
my
ko.
God, they're so broken.
Ginawa ko, Lord.
It's like, what the fuck? Should we call the police? They need an intervention.
I love
This
ya.
is just running around
It's
playing
yummy
with
love.
lighters. It's just got a fork in his hand. Ah! We're just looking over going,
That's right. Ay, ginoo ko.
You try pink? You'll like. Come on,
Kung
lovers,
bana
try
na,
my
bakit
career now.
gitry ko convince kaya na, kaon pa ko mo, kakain pa ko ng marami.
That's right though, but you gotta start if we're gonna get there.
I
You gotta start to get fat. Come on.
Ay, ginoo ko ni mula ba?
What?
I'm
You
trying
like
to
it?
stop. See, that is what you said the last time.
Bubble gum.
Bagbug.
Oh, no, it might
Today
be.
pink na naman today, iba today. Oh yeah, it's yummy. Namatay.
It's too bitter, isn't it? I
Yeah.
know.
You want to share the guilty of, you know, to me? Because this one is something $16.
Don't you try to guilt me in that stuff.
How much do the $16
You're the one that's like, do you want to go get French fries?
Yeah.
So you can eat 3 and then hand me the rest of the container and then mock me about it. Well, honey, if you want to lose weight, all you got to do is control what you eat. Do you want to go get fries? Yeah, that's right. Boy.
That's right, lad. Yan talagang ginagawa ko
Papa
dahil sa
can't win,
kanya.
Lester.
Ano po? French fries is yummy though, especially in Flushing because it's always hot there.
She's got all the ways to lose weight and just never any of the, you know, any of the help. There's no assistance. Yeah.
What? Oh, Harley! That's Mama there in the going up ba? That's so just a minute, we'll be in Mama's house na. Yung ano ko day, yung mama ko day, nandyan, kakatira day. And then yung asawa ko, ayaw niyang pumunta doon kasi kailangan naming appointment. Something like we need appointment first to Mama.
Yes. That is 100% true.
Appointment muna bago kami makapunta. Kasi it's difference in ano love in the Philippines ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's in the Philippines. Here they go, aw, you again?
Old.
Yeah. Didn't I give you money last week?
Yeah, that's right. Mga Inday, coconut daw to.
Maybe.
Maybe. Kasi nakakain yung asawa ko ng coconut.
Yeah, maybe.
So i-try natin mga Inday.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh yeah. It's a coconut love.
Yay. I got the right one though.
Yeah. That's yummy. Masarap siya dahil. Nakakataba lang talaga dahil pero masarap siya dahil. Iba-ibang mga ano ba? Flavors. Ano siya dahil? 49 flavors dahil. One pack. Masarap siya pero
Coming to your video selection soon, a fat Jamaica.
because my asawa is trying to convince me to try.
Like I said, love, we're just gonna eat candy and drink alcohol. We're just not gonna care about anything anymore.
Jeez.
Yeah. We're like, laundry. Who cares?
Who cares? Laundry? That is just laundry. Ay, ginoo ko, Lord. Alam, my love.
The only thing we'll get upset about is if somebody moves our bottle.
That is the shopping mall that we was there.
We were in there to the used baby clothes store.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Nobody buys mattresses anymore.
Yeah, that's
They were
right.
like $2,000 for them. People just go online and get those ones. the
Ah,
bubbles.
yeah. Yeah, and then it will deliver directly in your house.
Yep.
Burlington.
Hope factory.
Ah. Wait, we eat the restaurant here, the Bupalo. No, that's not.
That's a buffet.
Take a picture or
No, ma'am. I also need your half-pound burger with cheese and olives on it.
so just a burger or a meal?
I need. It's just the burger. because we don't need another drink.
Yeah, that's right.
And I want just olives and cheese on that half pounder.
Right, will that complete your order?
No. Do you guys have onion rings here?
Yes, we do.
All right, can I get a large onion ring and
And your
some...
sauce, marinara, I mean, boom boom wrap.
Ooh, boom boom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, you like that one.
Boom is like a project.
Boy.
All right, what you like? Anything else?
That'll do it.
Go ahead and put up.
Boom boom. I want to boom boom you.
You hear how excited she sounds?
Yeah.
You never know how somebody that sounds with that level of excitement to be touching your food. You know, food's fascinating and it's interesting.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
want somebody that needs me and my food.
That's right. Ay, wala din ni ano day. Food everywhere.
That's right, love. That's the right answer.
Food everywhere. Puro pagkain, kinakain naman day. Puro pagkain, of course.
We got candy at the grocery store, we got chips at the grocery store, we got cookies at the grocery store.
We're gonna
Not
be.
done yet.
Diba?
And we got these pops at Arby's. And now we're at Halo Burger.
Yeah.
We're gonna get French fries, dipping sauce, and onion rings, and burgers. I think we should have got the milkshake.
We just
Yeah.
shopping food.
Yeah, I think we should have got the milkshake.
Driving around,
Just missed opportunity, huh?
driving around and try a different food. Ay, ginawa ko na rin. And then si Bibi Kano, day tulog pa din nasa likuran, day.
Oh, he's sleeping.
Yeah, that's what I said, tulog. Tulog in Tagalog is sleeping.
He doesn't have to know.
Yeah, that's right. This is a secret, day, ha?
It's not gonna be a very good secret when we start going to
It's going big.
you know.
Fatter
and then the
and
drunk
fatter.
part too. We won't be able to hide that either. Just standing up and falling over. Puzzle pieces in her hand.
That's right.
Just passed out in a pool of vomit and puzzle pieces on a flipped over table.
Ay, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Your kids would be so ashamed.
That's right, for sure.
Yeah. They're just like, oh,
Ay,
I won't
ginawa
even
ko.
tell my friends. That one's you too.
Oh, this is your
It's a
stuff.
diet.
You can have it.
No, it's diet. You gotta
Bahala ka
take
diya, uy.
it. Put it somewhere because we're gonna need your hands in a minute. You don't
Kadaghan.
understand.
Kadaghan.
We are not doing good.
Yeah. And we are always complaining, why we pay this big amount of grocery because of our what we doing.
Yeah. But you can do it in the Philippines.
Yeah, that's right.
Just go spend a few pesos here and there and just eat all day long. Yeah.
That's right.
Especially the bread place.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
can buy that bread so cheap and just feed the birds.
Ah, yeah. In the market. Yeah. The bread place.
Yeah, over in Tagum.
Yeah, in Tagum.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are cheap. Maybe he is the cooker.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Kadugas ang order eh. Why it's take long?
I don't think we loved here.
I will off the ano na, I'm almost
I mean, look at our
lobat eh.
self-loathing. We don't even like ourselves.
That's right. Almost low na battery, lubat na ko day. I-off ko na to mga inday. Why? There's the price too. Onion rings mga inday, and then french fries, and then sauce. Ah, it's hot.
Mm.
Ah, the other one. Kani daw day. It's hot. It's little spicy lang. Alam no?
What?
Little spicy.
The sausage,
The
yeah.
sauce gani.
Yeah, that's right. My God, we're being bad.
Yeah. We are. Yeah, we are little but it's yummy.
It's our way of punishing Prince
Yeah.
for not coming. Yeah.
No, we'll give this to Prince Lap.
No, that's ours. He didn't want to come.
No, still we can give something when we are there.
No,
I'll give this to Prince, that is yours, and then this is what I'm gonna eat.
because Prince ain't gonna eat it, love.
Prince will eat me.
No, he's gonna go straight for those corn dogs.
Corn dog. Kasi may nakabili kami ng corn dogs sa ano, diba, sa grocery. Man, paborito yan ng anak ko dahil si Prince da.
Yeah. You know I'm right. They have corn dogs with garlic bread.
That's right. Yummy.
You like?
I like it. Masarap siya din.
I don't know. They're not as greasy as the A&W.
Yeah, it's not greasy, this one.
All these people standing around waiting for the bus.
Yeah. If you live in the city, it's easy for you to ride. You know, when you don't have car because there is a bus. But in outside of the city, it's hard for you to ride a bus.
Yeah.
That is the difference.
They only go where the population's at.
Yeah. But if you live outside of the city, it's more quiet there and peaceful there. That is the good thing. If you live in outside of the city. Same of us, dai. Hindi kami sa city. So we have a good neighbor, quiet place, and I like it so much.
You can live there for 20 years and never meet a neighbor.
Okay. You're sa tattoo lab, oh, tattoo shop lab. Electric.
You want to go get tattoos when we're done feeding our face?
I don't want in my face.
No.
What?
When we're done feeding our face. That's what we're doing right now. See, we're feeding our face.
Yeah.
And then we'll go get tattoos. What do you think the kids will think? We'll come home with like skulls. Big tattoo that says mom.
No.
No. Gucci will just look at you and shake his head. He'll just go.
I want a purple tattoo.
Fritz won't even notice.
Yeah.
Even if you show it to him, he just won't be interested. He'll just look around you.
You give us your French fries lap because we are not running. Asher, oh.
The thing is, if you chokes, you can't get him out quickly. You take time to get back there, get him out of his seat.
Yeah.
You want to go home? Batai, go home? Yeah? Yeah, Papa drive home now?
Does he want French fries? He like the French
He
fries.
wants anything we're doing. He don't care what it is.
You get the French fries lang. Hello. Sige na, tarong na. Ayusin mo. Sige, you talk to them. Hello mga ate at kuya. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Yeah, that's right. Ay, shish. Napakit ang kata. Ala. Ay, sige. Friends, stop, eh. Yay. Yeah. Sis, ang dagway. Ang lapit mo sa camera, anak. Yeah. Hi. Prince. Dana. Yeah. Still, ha? Oh, Dana, that's enough na, eh. Enough na. Enough na, anak, eh. Hello, mga inday, mga dudong. Mga inday, yeah. We are here in the house now, finally. Sobrang busog ko, day. Yung bata baduti natin, say hi to ate. Hi, mga ate. Ay. Yes. Wala ka pagkuha dito, nak. Sabi ng anak ko, kuha na silang pansit. Yung pansit niluto ko, diba? We gonna say thank you for watching, ate. Mga inday, i-end ko na ang ating videos for today. Thank you for watching, mga inday. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, mga inday. Have a good day, everyone. Bye! Bye-bye, mga ate. Bye-bye na. Saan mo na siya?